Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox a new oximeter that has, some new features there. It is supposed to be able to detect your AHIs, which, if you are familiar with its sleep apnea, that's one of the parameters that you can measure to understand how bad it is and how you need to correct that or not. So it's kind of a sleep test in home, if you will, if you can do with this thing, and that was the purpose that I purchased this. So let me start opening the box. It's a nice box. You can see how it looks like, and that's the name of the product, SleepO2 Pro. So let me see how I can open that. Okay, there is some sort of a seal here. Yeah. And now I can lift it out. So let me move this a little bit forward so you can see what's coming in. So this seems to be, actually those are disposable, pretty cool. Or you can buy more, at least, different probes for the oxygen measurement. This probably wrap around your fingernails, and this goes to the device. Seems to be a USB-C, yes it is, USB-C connector. Okay, so that's the two probes, comes with two probes. It comes with a user manual. It's a very sturdy cover, and well, nice illustrated, you can see that, and it seems to be pretty cool. It seems that you can use also different types of probes if you want to use more permanent ones versus the one that came with that. Oh, actually, just below the user's guide, you do have a permanent probe, so you can use the disposable one or something that will stay here for longer. What else we got here? On the right side, yeah, we got two units or two different, yeah. This is the plastic tube that goes to the device and then to your nostrils, so it can measure how you are breathing at night. Okay, so very thin and probably disposable if you are doing for multiple people. Okay, it comes with an USB adapter with US prongs. Okay, also it comes with the USB-C charge cable, as you can see. Oh, actually, yeah, it's a normal USB to a USB-C that goes to the device. And here, well, it's bigger than I thought. You have the device right there. So let me unwrap it. And just to compare with the iWatch, that's what you see there. Okay, it's a little bigger, but stays right here. Your finger probe goes to your finger, and in here you put that cannula that goes to your nostrils. So that's the unboxing, and I will have some results to compare with some known devices that I have, and I will be able to publish those later. So this is the new EMAY, what's the name? SleepO2 Pro. Alright, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also select the little bell so you can get all the notifications when I put a new video. Thank you.